welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video of gaming here in my channel also, right? And it's also so it is also gonna be uploaded to my gameplay channel, right? So since it is mixed with it is mixed with gameplays and such as like this. So because it is here in my Radis Hubs PH, which is also mixed with content, right? So mixed with everything. So everything, my hobbies, right? My hobbies. Okay, so without further ado, let's gonna start up. All right. Okay. So alright, so okay, so here we goes, guys. So this is my PlayStation 4. Alright, so yes, so let me turn to you into my PlayStation 4, right? So already, so yes, already right here is in the upper. Okay, what is this? Okay, in the upper. What happened? Okay, so here we go. So got some, right over here, some news for PlayStation, right? So since PlayStation 4 is still active, right? So and then some other games are still on, right? Or is still on working in the PlayStation 4, and some other games which is not active due to inactivity. All right, so it's because they already pull out some games for the PlayStation, right? For the PlayStation 4. Okay, so sorry. So here we go. So let's go gonna get over to this last right over here. We've got into the library, right? So we've got right here all of the games that I have for my PlayStation 4, right? So I also got an Asphalt Legends with this Battle Islands, right? And it's also okay. What happened right over here is the screen is small. Okay, so that is why. Okay, so okay, there we go. So so we've got right here with some Asphalt Legends. We got some Battle Island. Okay, and also I got some Bleach Brave Souls right over here. Another account for my PlayStation 4. And it's also we got some Bunny Raiders. Okay, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right? So and it's also Dauntless. We've got some DK of logos. We got the Destiny 2, which is I really like it a lot, right? So I really love it. So I really love the game. Okay, and also got some mobile over here. Destiny has a mobile also, right? This Destiny Rise. Okay, and we've got Disney Speedstorm, which is I also have another account for my PlayStation. Got some Doom. I really like this a lot. I really love this, right? I really love this. And it's also this is so awesome, right? So the game is so awesome. So not so I'm not gonna be saying highly addictive, right? But I am enjoying playing because I grew up playing first person shooter just like Counter-Strike, right? From Windows PC. And now the game today is like that one. So that is why bring back memories for the first person shooter just like a Counter-Strike, right? So we've got over here is also another account, okay, Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra. Okay, and we've got some Games of War, also another account, and for the PlayStation. Okay, and also I've got Injustice 2 Legendary Edition, which is I really like it a lot, right? So the story mode is very good. Also there's a fight scene. So the fight scene is more on arcade style, right? So not a action RPG, right? So and then also I've got they got also an internet browser, right? So and also Marvel Rivals, and this one right here is live from PlayStation, and we also got some media player, right? So they got also a media player, and also Mortal Kombat 10, okay, and also Naruto 2 Boruto Shinobi Strike. We got some Onigiri, okay, and then we got some Paladins, and PlayStation Plus games, and also PlayStation videos, right? So and then we've got some PlayStation Remote Play. Okay, we got some Rogue Company, which also is also a share factory. Okay, they got some Smite over here. We got some Smite. We got some Space Lords. Okay, Spotify. Okay, I also have Spotify, but I didn't. But I just unsubscribe. Okay, we got some Switchblade. We got some Terra. Okay, we got the finals. Okay, and the Playroom. We got the Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Okay, Tower of Fantasy. And also we've got some TVs and videos, right? So, and also War Robots Frontiers, Warzone Chronicles, okay, Virtual Warfare Shooter. So, which is, yeah, I didn't like it a lot. It's because, different game, a different first person shooter, right? So you gonna have to kill some zombies, right? So sometimes it's hard, but yeah, but also I really enjoyed it a lot also. And also I've got some World of Warships Legends, right? So we're gonna go to the, this one right over here. All the games right over here are installed, right? And also got some applications, right? So, and it's also I purchased, but others are gonna be what is this called, having but my external hard drive is also has a bigger memory, but I am saving up, so I am saving up memory for my hard drive for my PlayStation is because of these games, because of the games, is because games is also gonna be updating and putting up another data right into the game, so that new features, right? So that the new features will be gonna be go out just like that one, right? So okay, and also next, okay, gonna go on to the next one. Okay, 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 I'm gonna exit that one. Okay, okay. I just pressed the letter X. Okay, so we got right over here is, I forgot what is that. Okay, okay, so okay, because there are store. Okay, okay, let's go to the store. I forgot the store. Okay, so in the PlayStation Store, there's also some applications that you want to like that one. So they got some, what is this called, for TVs and videos, right? So yeah, you can install right, so some TV, some streaming online streaming platform, so such like HBO Max, YouTube, Peacock, and then also the Paramount Plus. We got some movies in TV just like that one, so we're gonna have to see that one. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check it out all these live streaming. So they got also an Apple TV, Paramount, UEFA, Disney Plus. They got some Netflix, Hulu, ESPN, right? So, and then Twitch, YouTube TV, and Dazn, DAZN, right? So Tubi, Crackle, Voodoo, movies in TV. Okay, so Fandango. Okay, Fandango is turning into Voodoo. So that's why we have to Peacock, Plex, what is this? Live Severe, Weather Nation. Okay. Okay, we got some Pluto TV, MLB, Crunchyroll, IGN, NBA, Rad, Yap TV, Tennis, Trendy TV. So lots of this one is also free, right? So this one right here, is free. So we've got Tubi are free, Tubi is free, Plex is free, and also Pluto is free. So the others are now you gonna have to pay for it, right? Monthly. So the only thing that I am, the last time is because is the Tubi, right? But and also the Plex. But honestly speaking, like this one, what is it called? Due to the memory of my hard drive, so I uninstalled some of the TV online TV, right? So that is why I have to save, right? I have to save this like this one, right? So go back. Okay, let's go back. And then what others are over here? So yeah, top apps and get apps. Oh, they got some also PlayStation Visa. Okay, they got some, what is this called? Uh, Signature. Okay. They got some annual fee or no 100 statement credit. Okay, not interested for that one. Okay, so featured and also apps. I don't have apps. Okay, so now all of this one right over here is Go. Oh, they got a GoPro channel. Okay, yeah. So PDP. What is what PDP Cloud Remote app? Okay, what is this one? It's a PDP. So yeah, and they got some MBC, a Redbox. Oh, they got a Redbox. Okay, I heard that Redbox is not available anymore, right? So they some renting DVDs, right, in CDs. I think, yeah. So yeah, okay. So not so for my PlayStation 4, but yeah, still. And also this one right over here is you got some news. Okay, and they got some notifications right from over here that you can look up to it, right? So every time you play, you got a trophy reward, right? Anytime, okay, yeah, every time you play, you get a trophy reward. So events, they got some events, messages. Okay, I just got a message that invitation game, right? It's an invitation game for the Destiny, right? So yeah, that is why and also to my profile. Okay, right over here, right? So yeah, so all of this one right over here. Okay, yeah, some, yeah, that trophy right over here. So the overview, so they got some, like this one. I got some total of 39 trophies, right, for playing games, right? So right, yeah, and then yeah, so some trophies. Okay, they give you trophies when you're playing game, right? So some of the games, so just like the Hawk, which is not available anymore, right? So they just discontinued the game. So that is what happened also, right? And what is this one? Okay, no friends following media. Okay, recent activities. Okay, so we got right here is the trophies. I'll go on to the settings. Okay, just go head over to the settings. So the settings right here is from the user's guide, helpful, and also data handling, accessibility, account management. So login settings, network, notifications, devices, and the storage. So this is the storage. Okay, and it is calculating also, right? So just go gagana to check. Okay, there's still big for the external storage, right? It's still big. Okay, the system storage, which is the storage of the PlayStation 4, right? So they got the, I think, yeah, the space that is been taken is the 332.9 gigabytes. So there are still remaining, right? Okay, yeah, the full memory for this one is the 408.5 gigabyte, and the usage of this and the usage of is 332.9 gigabytes. So I think I forgot, this is a 400 gigabyte. I think 400 gigabyte of storage this PlayStation 4, right? And that's also for the external storage, which is, I bought this on Walmart. So they got some 1.84 terabyte. Whoa, that's a big one, right? Big one, okay. And it's also affordable, right? Very cheap hard disk drive. So I forgot the price for this one, but I really have to buy it because is to put all of the games that I want to install and download, and also all of the game on also the games that I bought from CDs, which is the data is gonna be downloaded into the external drive, right? So yeah, here we go. So the usage is 796.5 gigabytes. So yeah, and still bigger space available, right? So if I'm gonna have to click that one, so okay, we got the free space of, what is this? Okay, we got the use for is 796, and we've got still the free space of, we got the free space of 1.5 terabyte. Ooh, this is big, still a big one, right? So because 1.84 terabyte, yeah. So and also gotta go to the system storage, gonna have to check it out. So the applications are 331.1 gigabyte. The capture gallery is 195.1 MB, okay? And also the save data is 1.56 gigabyte. The Teams is also 0 KB. Free space available is 74.43 gigabyte, right? So yeah, saving memory is just like that one, right? So just have to save some memory, right? So some other games that it is not big, but some games are really good to play, right? So PlayStation 4, no, you can't go wrong with it. Yeah, there's so many good games from PlayStation, right? So then Nintendo Switch, but Nintendo Switch is kinda Nintendo Switch is so limited for some good games, right? So they have some hardcore games, right? Hardcore games or AAA games, right? So just like I just want to say hardcore games is because hardcore games is just like a good game that play. So just like Doom, yeah, just like Doom, hardcore game or a AAA game, right? So and then also this one right here, I don't know, but Modern Warfare, also Rainbow Six, right? Like that one. They are really good game, right? So they are really good games. So alright, so okay. So alright, so yeah, I think that's it for today's video, right? And also I hope you enjoy watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned. It's because I'm gonna giving you some of my Gustav's Hero channel. So this is the new channel. Okay, this is the new update of my channel. Okay, so we have to upload in 3 times for Techs and Gadgets and anything and collections and also CDs, DVDs, toys and everything. 3 days, okay, Monday to Wednesday, and we've got 2 days for gaming, okay, 2 days for gaming, yeah, and also 2 days for ADC gears and gadgets, right here in my channel. Sunday and gaming is 2 days upload of games, so gonna be Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and for the ADC gears and gadgets it's gonna be just Saturday and Sunday. All right, so thank you and see you again on the next one.